either become akara or my mind.
And you must eat them.
You must jump up. So it's like a rubber band. When you want tear and say go tie, you know go green, go use that type more money. So na rubber band.
No, na rubber band. You get that rubber band that time when we small, we will see am you want tear am. As you dey tear am, you go hear for your face. Wah!
Okay. You can't wait to okay.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, okay. Biafra Cry City, welcome.
One then no.
Yeah,
Welcome, my brother. I don't know if you have you been watching us or you are just joining.
I don't know. I just turned on YouTube and discovered that you have just came online, so I tried to tune on immediately to join. So I don't know what people have discussed, but from the thumbnail I saw on your channel, was showing a forest or bush or something like that. So I don't know what that.
Wait, that is why you need to. Okay, wait. You go know what thing would they do now. You go hear them. Wait, because I saw the 9 minutes.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa. He's doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we're making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
Hey, flag, Ariana. Oh, yeah, look, flyer.
Yeah, so me won't fit more.
This man they speak like a
Sonny go Calabar yesterday now.
Biafra.
Well, Maze, na Biafra flag, they fly everywhere for Biafra land. And the kingpin will make them possible. Now, one person, the person where they say na useless person, the person where they say you know get head, you know they useless. Now be Simon Ekpa. Now he make them possible.
Amen. Isoko people, you are well done. Now believe that you are the Biafran people. Whosoever that says that Isoko is not Biafra, let him come here and see the flag flying. The flag is flying. Chineke, well done. You have done well now. I can see. Thank you.
We are live at Flyover. This is Flyover Highway Expressway billboard. Yes, we are going live. Today, being November 2025, Monday, Agitators happening here in Aba State, Flyover Port Road. Here, our flag is once up again. We move.
So, Maze, Biafra Cry City TV. You there here, Abi, you know then we no one wind our clock back. So you say now forest you see. That was why we brought these videos back. Now Biafra flag everywhere in Biafra land, the Biafra flag don't enter. So now me and the Austin they discuss say this Biafran flag now don't enter everywhere. Finish. And then who make them possible? Now the same Simon where they say one oda. The same Simon where they don't tie for neck for one baby, make it die. The same Simon where they don't carry knife, shoot him for one baby, you go die. The same Simon where they don't go put something for their this cocoa, make it die. The same Simon no gree die. Say somebody go eat shit, make Simon die. Simon no gree die.
People
So
go pay money, eat shit to make juju, make someone die shit, you see.
You no gree. Simon say I no go die. I never see this. Anyway, my brother, that is what we are saying. I don't know if you have anything to say before we move on.
Yeah. What I have to say now is that because you know, a man without enemy has no great value. So there must be jealous for anything a man is doing. Anything you are doing and you didn't get criticism, watch it, whether it has value or whether you are going in a good direction. But as far as somebody criticizes you for whatever you are doing, you know, there is attack here and there. I mean, be happy that you are in a good life. But if you are doing anything, nobody criticizes you, that you are doing need an attention. You have to have a second thought whether you are doing a good thing. So that's all I need to say for that. But I wish Samuel a good focus. I will pray for him. Never he give up, and let the spirit of Mazen Ladekan, who has called him for nowhere, let that spirit continue to lead him and guide him and strengthen him. You know, the spirit of Chukwokika Biaba of Biafra, let him continue to lead him and give him wisdom. Where he gather all this wisdom between this exposition, try to bring it to the eye and sense and the knowledgeable people. Let it continue to flow and let it go. Let it not go dry. Let the fire increase more and more on a daily basis. Let it never relent. Let it never look back. Since he have a destination, let him pursue it with every audacity. Let it not have any reserve energy, because even like the kind of has, you know, giving him the platform on Radio Biafra to broadcast, it means that there is something he see in him, of course, to give him that, to be doing it. So, like our Igbo people used to say, and I believe Maazị Samuel Ekpa o were go kwala agbawasa ọrụ ụzọ dị iche iche, ihe niile mere mkpuchi o na-ekpughe na-eje and without fear, without any apology. He's doing it with his own mind. So I pray God will lead him, and as he go in this direction, may he go gallantly and do the needful work, so that when our leader Mazen Ladikal is released, when he come out, you will see a great work and you will appreciate him. Thank you, Biafrans. God bless you.
Mazi Okonkwo, you know, it gets something where I wonder. All these man must work agitators. All these man must work agitators. They are now fighting Simon. Simon was fighting against Nigerian government, and they were fighting Simon. Simon fighting against Nigerian government. They are not even saying anything or doing anything about freedom of Mazen Nandikalo. All they are doing is fighting Simon, fighting Mazi Okonkwo, fighting 247, that they are killing Nigerian soldiers. Are they now fighting for Nigeria, or they are fighting for Biafra? Instead of talking the innocent, today in Enugu, they kill since yesterday. Fulani has been killing people and burning them with fire, roasting human beings like fire, killing them. As the villagers, they try mobilize, make they push and come out. Trailer, they pack more Fulani, they enter. Nobody they talk about it. They are busy talking about Simon. Even the so-called waiting be named done and dusted. Have anybody bothered to ask him, what is it that you has done and dusted? He have sold Nnamdi Kanu and he has collected money and he cleaned his hand. Had this same man is the same man that everybody all over the world is calling him to restore peace in Southeast. Who are calling him, and how is he going to restore peace? What peace is he going to restore? So I want us, make we look into this what do you call him? Into these people that say they are fighting to restore Biafra. Because now, Mazoko, was me and you there here. We know say, huh? No. We know say, as me and you there here now. If you hear say, Muhammad the criminal Abbas don't bring Biafra, you go rejoice. Yes. If you hear say Muhammad criminal Abbas is now speaking against the command and control Nigeria terrorists, speaking against the evil, speaking against the what Nigerian government is doing against Nnamdi Kanu, speaking against the killing of innocent. I know say you go happy. These people have seen that man Simon Ekpa has managed with the autopilots. Biafra flag there everywhere. Instead of them to say, so this thing why they talk on a lie. Hey, so in the walk through, someone ever don't try you. They are not saying it. Instead, they are saying he is fake. He is fake. He is criminal. He is criminal. I mean, I want me to talk. Enter this area. We know they hear you, Mazi.
Yes, you see, Mazugo, there are always two kinds of people in this struggle for restoration of Biafra. Two kinds of people. There are people that are called, as Mazin Nnamdi Kanu has said on some of his broadcasts. There are people that are born for this. Everybody is born, but there are people that has purpose on this restoration movement where we are. And that true people who are called by God to restore Biafra, they know themselves by connection through the truth. I will show you the emphasis. When Moses was in the house of Jethro, after the burning bush, he was asked of God to go back for the freedom of his people, just like Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Then when he was on the way going, he jumped Simon Ekpa, which was Aaron. I want to draw a horizontal line. That's why you see me, anything concerned the spiritual side of this Biafra, I will enter into it because I know, I see it in the spiritual realm. I will tell you how I met Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. So now, Moses was there. I'm just talking about the connection that is between Mazin Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa here. Forget about what people is talking about. Then Moses did not see Aaron, but God has spoken to Moses by Jethro's house, Mountain Horeb. And when he landed in Egypt, he saw his brother Aaron. This one was looking themselves in the face, and they said something. And they said, I thought you want to say something. And they made it.
No, is the where somebody right there. He said the Ekperima that has come to Ekperimarize us into Biafra by force. So whether you agree or you don't agree, no problem.
I like that piece.
It was carrying you enter Biafra.
Yes, you Ekperimize inside the. They will later say go use Ekperima as one of the most vocabulary English in Biafra land. It's coming. So you see now, I'm talking about the connection. When God calls you, like as I said before, those who are called for the restoration of Biafra, we know ourselves by connection. We know ourselves by our fruit. You know why? When the Nigerian governments are busy killing the body, the spirit information that carries what he did to the ancestors are still there, hovering around. That's why I say you can only kill the body, but you cannot kill the spirit. Like this Jemto that was killed in the house of Ejiofor. His spirit is hovering there now, causing havoc, to making the man to speak. Someone will just do a gentle. You remember? Okay, now. And no, don't joke. Go back. Simon is too powerful and very esoteric. He said, I'm going to use this gentle. He hooked to the spirit of that guy because it was for themselves, and they that killed the guy know what happened there.
They don't.
Are you getting me now? So
yes.
that is the spirit of, that's why I tell us that Biafra must come, because the blood has the information. Blood speaks. Blood has a voice. The blood of the Biafrans that have been killed since 1967 till now, and each day we are paying. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. Don't you know also God was the first killer? Because he need blood to speak for us and him. It is a covenant. So anytime you kill a human being, the blood of the person you kill will speak against your generation because it has a voice. Genesis, I think Genesis 3-4 somewhere there, he said, for the blood of thy brother speaketh for vengeance. Speaketh for vengeance. The Nigerian government, they shot the people in the NSAS, the youths, the future of the country. I'm talking about blood. And why Nigeria has to be disintegrated? Because the blood is speaking against the zoo. The only thing I say is to divide the country as much as possible so that there will be peace. Otherwise, you see that geographical location called Nigeria, without Biafra, they will sink. The Fulanis and the jihadists has mapped. There are many enemies hovering in that territory called Nigeria. Too much, not even spiritual attack. Lai Mohammed himself is a spiritual attack. They killed the youths of Nigeria, Mazugo, and sprinkled their blood on the flag of the country. So what do you think? The country has no longer a future. The youths cannot move forward. There is vengeance on the spirit. Very soon, we'll have to talk about whatever the Ganji Dam. Fire can rise up from somewhere. Or Boko Haram will take over because Nigeria has a lot of to pay, spiritually, physically. So if you are clear in Nigeria, following P2P and all the rest of them, you are deceiving yourself. So let us do ourselves, both to do the one Biafra, we need to separate from these people. We are not the same. So I'm talking about those who are called for this Biafran job. Mazinan Kanu called an altar call like a high priest. He made an altar call, said, those who were born for this, stand upright, come out. He talked about the kind of people he wants. And because he knew the kind of people that have been existing, then he proclaimed the kind of people he wants, the kind of 100 men that he wants, men that are not greedy. Why Chinas Aworu was there, and he still needing 100 men. Ejuafor, the head of DOS, was there. Amazon is still looking for people somewhere. That's why if you are connected with what I'm saying that they're called on this struggle, just be on the right track. Do the right thing. Follow every instruction. We must get Biafra. We're there already. Thank you, Mazugo. Let me allow you to speak.
Thank you very much.
Ndewo. Maze Biafra Battle Cry TV. Do you have anything to say? Or
yes,
I got a microphone.
I want to add a small thing to what Maze Okonkwo has said. What it means for the DOS criminal people on the call of our spokesperson, Maze Samuel, by our leader, Maze Nandikalo. They see it as a slap. Who is Samuel Lepa? From where did he come from? Or from when did he join IPOB? But it's not a matter of who was there ever since. It's a matter of who came with a genuine heart, who came with a brutal spirit. You understand me? the 12 apostles who later become 11 apostles was there, and at the time of last disciples, Paul the apostle came from nowhere and overshadowed them. If you remember in the book of this is Corinthians, he said that I thank my God that I spoke in tongues more than you all. He said it, and this didn't bring any quarrel, So for Onyendu to be in a dungeon, to look at all the DOS dignitaries, delegates, and other IPOB appointees, and choose someone. I mean, there is something he see in him, and like I said before, it is a slap to them. It is a very, very big slap. So let's just back him up and cherish him. Let's just have him and cherish him very well. Thank you very much.
Ndewo. Well, if you ask me, I will tell you that these people now, they are not fighting to bring Biafra. It is very simple. It is very, very obvious. Because if they are fighting to bring Biafra, to them, important who bring them. The important thing na Biafra. For me, the important thing na Biafra. No be who bring them. Whether the person will bring them blind, though, whether the person will bring them. Listen, it's just like this music where would they listen to? Some of us, they listen to music. We know if you ask it, okay, for instance, wait, this music now, where would they play? Where I play today, where many people like, they say, make we play again. If you ask me where play, what will be the name of the artist? Me, I don't know. But no, it's true. It's true.
Yeah, I understand you.
And they listen, all the people when they tell you, say they love this music, play them again. Nobody they ask you, who be the name of the person who sing this music? So why are they use this the illustration now? Is this the person is not important, but the action, the message. We listen, we are not loving Simon because his name is Simon, or because he is living in Finland, or because he is rich, or because he's educated, or because he is a lawyer. It's not my business. My business is because he is speaking Biafra.
Of course.
Over 70 million that is following Mazen Nandekalu today, they are not following him because his name is Mazen Nandekanu, or because he came from Afar Ukwibek, or because his father is a king or was a king.
It's about his purpose. People know his purpose. He is fulfilling
very, very simple. That is why you see old men that are over 80 years saying, you must release Nandekalo. He is our savior. Have you imagined what an old man, old woman of 90, 120 years is telling you that Mazen Nandekalo is our savior? Nandekalo that is not up to 60 years. I don't know if he's up to 57. So Simon Ekpa today, people are seeing Simon. They are not seeing the message he's bringing to them. They are not seeing the glad tidings he's carrying. That is the problem, because they are carnal-minded people.
Yes.
Their anger is that Simon come and stop. Simon took over the ESM fundraising.
Yeah. Someone want to spoil their salary now for.
Very simple. Even if he want to Biafra, why didn't he come from us? Why didn't he bow before us? I hear the other girl, the other day, the other woman, he say he diverse because Simon come from backyard. He enter from back door.
Enter from backyard.
If you know the parable of Jesus Christ and those people where they go call from, make they come work. You go call people early, more, they come begin the work. Midday you go, evening you go. For night, when people they watch, the people who work since morning, they watch their hand and leg, they watch their two. You go carry some people come again.
Come inside again.
They no work, oh, they follow them, watch leg, watch hand, watch their material. They pay all of them the same thing.
The same price.
You know, important. At the end, though, listen, oh, at the end, Simon go carry only one Biafran passport. Only one Biafran passport. Me, I go carry one. Mazo Konko, now one you go carry. Simon no go say, Simon no go carry two because he name na Simon. No, it no go happen. Mazen Nandekalo no go carry more than one passport.
Oh, for if
you want them. So why are they fooling themselves? Because of the little thing you eat now, you no go eat tomorrow. Is it not clear that these people are not interested in Biafra? Because this flag now, when they hoist everywhere for Biafra land, is enough to bring unity. It's enough to reconcile every runaway soldier. It's enough to bring back. Listen, you see this Biafra flag now, where they hoist everywhere for Biafra land. It's like a torch in the darkest night. That through this torch, you can locate your house. But what are they doing? No. Someone is a church man. Someone in Finland. That thing in Finland. He is deceiving people, but he
somebody go. If you Simon buy shirt, go buy.
You go buy.
If you buy white shirt, you go buy white shirt. Till the go buy the one where cockroach there enter inside house. I said they don't. I said some of them go for native doctor house. Native doctor tell the say for Simon to die na shit. They chop shit beside the
and you go pay money put.
They chop shit for Simon to die. Before you know these 3 days, you can't declare flag, Biafra flag. This year, to tell you, how wicked
you know. You know the one when they make me laugh too much. When they intensify attack, whenever they intensify attack, now that time something they happen. No wonder Simon say if they like if they do if he no see the attack, in body no they cool. When the attack they come up and down, in body they sweet them. See as even the Irufan top a cook, white for face, black for leg. That one, even as he come out to come join them again, Biafra flag is on the fly.
I wanted to, I remember something I said I wanted to talk about all these people that is on Radio Biafra, they call them veterans. I don't come here to do saga with anybody. Thank God both of us are here. You see, there are some certain things that China Samoro on Master Simon's position that China Samoro said we should ask about the Jofo. That he knew about some of the conclusion made by the governors, the South governors against Mazen Namdekan. That speech, you remember that broadcast? Battle cry, you know, that speech that you have made through the broadcast, Tina Samoro, that asked Ejiofor that he knew about the rounding up of the kidnap of Mazen Namdekan.
Yes.
Okay. And anybody in the comment section also, Gloria, blessed to know that all of them here was there.
And
let's
remember.
Go on, brother.
You remember the interview Barrister Joffa had with JJ Media when he was telling JJ Media that people don't know the kind of fight he's fighting to bring restoration in Igbo land. That he has had a sensible security meeting with the governors. So that tells you that these are the people that called Martin Nandekano to calm Biafra agitation peacefully.
Yeah, and he becomes a peacemaker.
And Dave Umahi was there, Okorocha was there when he was the governor, and plus other Southeast governor. Even Ugwai Okezi Azu was there. And the meeting didn't go smoothly because Nnamdi Kanu brought out his own proposal, which clashes with the Southeast governors, and the meeting didn't go well, which he later visited Rafo Mba Zurike.
Before they gathered on that meeting, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knew. Because he made the broadcast, he said, I knew that, he said, before that information, he said, I knew already. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, told them also that he knew the hall where they want to go.
So how is it that our leader didn't have a smooth peacekeeping or concluded meeting with the Southeast governor, who sent Ojiofor to go and have meeting, say he having a high sensitive security meeting with them? Who sent Ojiofor? Did Ojiofor go without our leader's consent, or did he just, who knows? Maybe he has collected money. So that meeting, that conference he had with JJ Media, just exposed him. He exposed it completely. So he has no way to hide it. Everything is open. How can Barrister Lawyer Jimako we came up to bring a case argument?
Edition.
Yes, it's an ordinary edition. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor is now fighting it, even to criminal DOS to attack Aloy Ejimako. Why? Okay, now, who is making wave now? Is it not Aloy Ejimako? Look at the letter he wrote today. This one is not the matter. I read the letter. I said, look at the simplicity of letter with the heavy argument and quality. It's not all about Barrister Ejiofor writing a blogger on Facebook or Twitter.
Or go to the major to protest.
Using BB grammar. That when you read 2 lines, you look for dictionary. When you read 5 lines, you look for dictionary. Barrister Aloy Ejimako, his letter is a simplicity, very clean letter, very understandable.
This is why I see battle cry, no verse. This is why I the talk say this big anybody will want to meet evil blunder. He go hide for big grammar. But
yes.
I can tell you the truth. Watch them. Watch all these Biafran people. Anytime you see them want to commit blunder, evil, atrocity, sabotage.
Exactly.
They go see Okadibo now. You don't know Shuko Okadibo?
Yeah.
He blow past him. What did he achieve?
Nothing.
I beg they go on, Jare, no verse.
Nothing.
Our people said, no, borrow Jason, no system.
Of course, that is how it is.
The system. No, it's just blowing grammar, heavy grammar. You'll be asking yourself, was this guy, is he the author of dictionary? 2 lines, big vocabulary. 3 lines, big vocabulary. Just dropping it like a bomb. I said, what is happening? Trying to show off that even Wole Soyinka has not even speak like that. Man, it's just like that man, that Edo man where they blow grammar when they come out on the national television. Blow grammar, but pass it.
It may rain or mockery.
No, not rain or mockery. You get one Edo man where they blow grammar, where be
prof,
where be one minister during Adam Oshomole. They blow heavy grammar at the end, you don't get anything.
Anyway, thank you, my brother. So I was going somewhere trying to cut you. So I'm just saying that we should, all those people they call their veterans and Radio Biafra, who they are talk trash about Simon Eba, I want to put it to them. If broke, even what I can run, ị ga-ebu arụrụ a na-abụrụkwa okenye arụrụ a isi awọ nwere ike nọrọ gị n'isi a na-afụgasị okenye mana ịbụ onye arụrụ a maka na arụrụ a ahụ na okwu asị bidoro na mgbe you call yourself veteran ịbata na radio Biafra usoro ụmụazị na-akpọ Simon Ekperima. Then tomorrow that they still rely on what Ejiofor told them. Those people, especially those old men in Radio Biafra, these are expired pension people living in the USA. So now they use Alabaka, because that's more we are not cousin, more I am cousin. You got another radio Biafra. Because our cousin, Ufafa, cause I will because about more this month, don't hear Ganano. And when you was now go to ask Diego, all of them criminals everywhere. That didn't so these people. Okay, more than I
Vam.
And why I'm saying is all these veterans, they call veterans in the Radio Biafra. Now, why can't you ask or drop, just have to go to the hatred you have of Simon? Now, Simon, let's sing that Simon was not now existing. Somebody told you that he was aware of the arrangement of the kidnap of your leader. And that same person,
will not be kidnapped. They plan to kill him.
To kill this man. That is why we are saying that even them that their hands are into this thing, they know the earth is destroying them now. Now, all these veterans, why can't you ask yourself a question and say, so this guy know about the kidnap of Mazen Namkano. Chinasa will recover it. You know, our leader is a very stubborn man. You tell him something he cannot pick up. He doesn't do it. So that is why they start to complain already about the character of our leader. Then what about the Ejiofor who was on the ministry? That is what I want them to ask. The issue is not Simon Ekpa. Why can't them Mazugo set the eyes on getting Biafra? Why is Simon their obstacle? Go and get Biafra. Since Mazen Namkano is inside this being kidnapped, ask yourself what is TOS. Only Uchina Sanguru will come on Radio Biafra with the cause like Olia Sinabo Jonathan. Small time, China Sanguru, you go trigger them. This is what you hear the whole day, JJ. What have they achieved? They want Biafra. They don't want Biafra to come because that Radio Biafra, all those old pomias, now many spy in America, Haja when I top up, and I go has so now this 5 million errats, errant, which is a battle cry. Now, as an obliged 3 million.
No, 500,000.
Still, ha ga walk we sin on him ka itipia ka Simon wo. Nsia na hanima for na irundu. Still we are moving.
Yes. You know?
Thank you.
For my classmate, what can you see? My classmate, this is my classmate.
Sunday for a long time because I never call your name. Now wow, blessed know to all of the way they here. And now wow, we don't forget some of our comment people.
Sunday be know that they look for me with them don't greet. Only at the moment they be disappear in action. You know, great
2 minutes. Make I go pee. They go.
And ask her whether he go beach.
Okay.
No great answer me.
He
go beach for winter.
You know, blessed know that attack me the other day. There was a woman come pray. She attacked me.
Anyway, my people, what is this rubbish here? My wonderful people of Biafra, the truth be say, Ejiofor, what you say, him be Biafran lawyer or IPOB lawyer. Like I'd always ask, one good thing we don't record, nobody gets. Nobody get one good thing where Ejiofor don't record one success or where resemble success where your for done. The only success where your for don't record now,
Chineke, you know,
done
under the
and
mango
dusted.
tree.
They have nothing against Onyendu. They will leave Onyendu.
They will leave Oyendu.
They will leave him unconditional. This is the only success he has recorded.
And you come and tell them that the remaining one now is just my mind, you know, you just remain to open the Google, you know, everything will clear. And 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, it's still saying this Umuchineke under the mango tree. Umuchineke.
So what I'm saying is this: when you look at Ejiofor, you go see say nothing there inside Ejiofor but one Nigerianist working for Nigeria. Nobody is even thinking those what you call them itiborebo where they go deceive. Did they ever ask Ejiofor why he push Aloy comot?
Why? And why you prevented him from entering the court? And why you prevented Bruce Fair to enter DSN?
Did they even ask Ejiofor when are you going to file petition against the federal government of Nigeria for keeping Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that the Nigerian court of justice itself, the government itself say you are discharged, you go home. The same Nigeria keep up. Did Ejiofor file any petition?
No.
Una don't ask him. Una know they ask him. Una no one know. All on our own. Now Simon they control ESN because Simon is not allowing you to see shit.
Yes.
All the blood money where una they eat, Simon don't block up. That is an offense. Now that one the vessel now. And I had to ask all of you. Is it about Biafra or about the granite money where you they get?
Yes. You eat and you lose.
When una gonna which time una go learn? Which day una go learn? How long are you people going to continue to wallow in your foolishness? Every day una go enter studio, na rubbish una go talk from morning till night. Simon Ekpa, criminal. Simon Ekpa, criminal. Somebody say here, by fire, by force, he go carry una enter Biafra.
Yes.
And the Biafran land go question una, all of you, one by one, wetin una do with una time.
Every one of them.
You know, like I said this thing yesterday, that you may live a life, you may live 1 million years in this life. If you did not accomplish what you were sent here to do, your life is useless. And above all, there are people that we are sent here in this life to do some particular thing. As I dey here now, they talk. Maybe now waiting they send me make I come life can't do. I can't they do them. People we are sent to come here and do what they are supposed to do, and they get the platform. They were sent to talk about Biafra. That is their destiny. Talk until Biafra come. But you know what? They come here. God made it possible for them to get everything needed for this job. Then they are using that same platform to propagate lies, deceit, insinuate hatred and the evil.
Envy. Tell us.
Collecting money from politicians to kill their own brother. God will judge you all. And that one now I remember. All this news where they fly about for social media about Omoada, make I just talk am now where I remember. I want every true Biafran to disregard them. I am making it known to every woman, every Biafran now. Umuada, the whole Umuada way they see, they agreed for Azoka to be their leader. So anybody asking any question, you know Azoka number. If you no get them, ask me, I go give you. Call them, ask them. And anybody that is telling you anything in secret, make it tell you, make it come talk am for public. Because that thing, no let her hear, no let her hear, no let anybody know. You know good. Now that one they deceive. Now in the spoil something. We are at the age of restoring Biafra. Anything that is distraction is distraction. I beg everybody, make we mind waiting would they do. Waiting would they do na Biafra. If you are offended, keep your offense. When Biafra come, we go make peace. But for now, Apage Inyefenozo. Apago many people. Ejofa Apagogi. Ikenga Apalage. Abbas Apalage. The one where they seek Apagogi. All of you put together Apagono Nyenefenozo. Because Mazi onye nochikwa ụzọ apịa ya gwuo ekusikwenu mo ọgwụkwa ka ọha m n'ọnụ ndewo Mazi, if you get something to talk ngwa talk am.
Biafran battle, I don't know if you have something, then you finish before I go.
Okay, I think we should be taking calls.
Okay, let's take call actually. Then if there's a call coming, then why he can be making a comment. Yes. And from the comment section here, we have Blessing Odo. You're highly, let me start from the beginning. Too much. People are more. We cannot mention all of their names. There are more. I'm just
okay.
All right. Usa Chalugo. A lot of them. Nelson is there. Emeka is here. Ajibo Sunday is here. Emile Smiles TV. I greet you from here. And Ugochi Judith, our own person, is also here. Ugochi Judith, long time. Ugochi Judith for a long time. I think she's always here, right? Ugochi Judith.
Ugochi Judith, they come, but they come late. But today, it be like say she come early today because she be late comer. Sometimes if they say, sometimes they go, they say, okay, see you tomorrow. Ugochi go enter. He go say, I don't come. I hope you say I never come late.
Benjamin, we greet you from here. And all of if
I beg, Mazi, allow me just 1 minute.
Okay.
My people, I post a link now, and that link belong to Mazi Austin Okonkwo.
Correct. I think we're having a caller here already.
Okay, wait, pick him, but I go talk with him. I want to finish. Okay, I posted the link. Make it just wait, I beg.
Okay, Maz, wait for a second.
Let me give you 1 minute, I beg.
Yeah, but
okay, let me get I'm live now.
We go delete channel.
Which link?
I wanted to tell you something, but I'll call you.
Okay, sir. Okay, after the broadcast, I'll call you.
That's subscribe, voila. I want to subscribe now.
Okay. So as I've been the talk, this link where you see me post here, Namaze Okonkwo YouTube channel. Just about 2 days or 3 days ago, the blocking channel, if you do anything until next year. So in go open another one. So encourage him, go there, subscribe for him. I beg you, in the name of God.
Yes.
At least if all of us where they here now, go in channel, go subscribe.
You did see there here, John Ojumegu is here, and all of them.
Wait, make I finish waiting at the talk. You go talk. Wait.
Go on.
So as at the talk, I beg everybody, go there now and subscribe to this his channel. If you subscribe, try and hit the bell icon so that anytime he comes online, you'll be notified and you'll be watching from him. I beg you, in the name of God, help him to grow back again. Help him to grow back again. So that is it. And then okay, Biafra Cry City TV also. Okay, our brother here in the studio, Biafra Cry Battle Seat TV.
Okay, can't hear my own this in there.
Yeah, don't all they need is a link to go in. It's okay. This one is okay. So this is his this is his link. Go also to his channel, subscribe to his channel, and hit the bell icon so that anytime he comes online, you'll be notified. I beg every one of us, let us join each other, help each other to grow back. I beg everybody. Thank you.
Not this one, the second one, not this one, the second one. Sorry, delete this one.
Which one? And
yeah, the second one.
Link. Oh, what is that? Amy. Who is asking no link? Amy, there's a link there.
Link there. Just go there. You see the link. I put the link there. Go there and subscribe.
You can do all because all of us were not on at the same time.
And subscribe.
Yes.
Go there and subscribe. I know fit go see him again. You don't enter link. You know what I mean? Not your channel.
No, not my channel. That's not my channel.
Which channel you give me before?
This second one now that I
go to your YouTube.
I don't post them now. I don't post them.
We'll go find his find them by yourself. Wait.
Okay, yeah. I don't see him.
Okay. Okay. When you go to the comment, you click it, you can see link. Okay, Yama will greet you. Jude will greet you. Side will give you. Margaret will greet you.
Yeah, Twitter.
I know even fit delete the message.
Boy, I greet you.
Yeah, Twitter.
I know fit delete them. Now be the problem.
But you
if the person enter system at Twitter, you go leave them now.
No, can't bro my Twitter now.
Ebele one for Ebele one for my own personal person. You see?
So, Biafrans, we wait for you to call into the program. Call into the program and give us your own quota as we move.
Mayor Root and Habs is here, the great man. We go wait, let me recognize when the call is coming. Our comments people were here. Let's greet them a little. And Doris is here, Uzamaka, and many others. If I don't call you, I love you, pass anything short. And let's
so
go.
You go call all of them because now you don't start.
No. I need to call all of them. The ones I don't call, but then special.
I don't call Sunday.
So the line is open. We're talking about those elders on the radio Biafra talking trash, calling Simon and all the rest of things. We want them to focus on questioning the Ejiofor and the Chinas of Oro. Why did they know about the plot of the Southeast governor who are still holding Mazina Nkalo today? What happened was, after Mazina Nkalo was acquitted and discharged by the same appeal court of Nigeria, the Nigerian governors, now they went underground. What they did was they appealed. It was not Buhari or Malami. It was the Southeast governors, as we have now vindicated by the spirit national Ejiofor and the statement of Chinas Aworu. Ndoke Nilana Radio Biafra, stop deceiving people who want freedom with your Radio Biafra. It has been infiltrated onto Martin Dandokano comes out. Nobody's listening to you and you're making mockery of yourself. Go and ask Ejiofor and Chinas Aworu Why did they hear about the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by the Southeast governors and they didn't say it? That is what you must be asking. Thank you. Go on, Mazi.
Yeah, well, Mazi, caller, are you there?
I am here.
And na Rastaman be that.
How the text they know himself?
Now in voice I detect now.
Man,
you're welcome, bro.
Your accuracy. Thank you, my brother. Well done. I salute you now. Just one time where someone everybody do something, he go to repeat and he go, that's the way Oye do. One time he imitated him, he say, I did not like someone else. But that day I think he say the man go different dimension. He say they repeat them, they play them back. Someone go do and do, and one person will go right for comment section. Say, we don't understand, and I make we go forward. Someone will tell them, say, make you go take a break. Because see, people are not the same. We get people who say they need longer time to understand. I make them the repeater. If you catch them from the first time, if you go, please come back. Still make me the talk and be say, and many of our people, there are surely people who say they still get their conscience, but they are deceived, they are victims. You know, so waiting me, I want to talk now. Be say, how person will be say we show them how to think. If somebody wants to sell you out, now the closest people to you the thing will sell. When was we gave up, but when they go carry people where they work with the come visit them, you know, say they don't, you know, get what you do again. Unless it's a serious person, if you say all of them we go for to her, me I go stay where if it's not having coming down the gun. You know, go do what you do. But the thing they say, now people waiting for the closest person, the place, the thing where you are the organization. So these people, they know the question, the DOS, when they say now, if Nigeria want infiltrate, now there they go. There's no question now. So and now, second thing we say, if DOS go sell out, collect money, you expect and then go come tell you, say, yes, we do. That is that what you expect from them, our people. And if you where everything just indicate say this I'm saying you don't know what in the extraordinary edition. You know, but you get a different deal. If you pull up that one, where the work for go say, why we come do this, you know, so with this, you will not get where we go. So now I'm gonna make them go begin to play that they go up and down, they stammer like person when we don't know what happened to. So nobody say no, but you don't soil in hand. Because everybody knows you for nigger area. If you do the right thing, then go look for your life. So then if they have to compromise, this is why they say when someone get this series where they talk say Nigeria they breed criminals. You know, so no matter how even though you say if you bring angel from there, they go corrupt. So our people go not say a nation will they fight for. We will not follow any individual. I'm just trying to show people how to they think, who the right place to question. How you go see the action of people, which is the fruit whether they blow or the fruit whether they bear. Now that's when you go to speak. Not be said because somebody there for one radio, they tell you something, you know, they give you even an idea how you go take things. So a person who don't sell out, you know, they expect them. When people they do investigation, criminal will come tell the judge say or the investigative police say, I go do this. Now they don't refer to that, you know, not the criminal again. So, but now you what we say you the investigate for your own dear nation. Now you go come sit down, they take the thing where make point. If then the accuser, okay, let's say Simon the accused those ones and those ones that accuse Simon, you go come look, they have one in common, they say all the same Biafra. So you go come look whose fruit they stand for Biafra. Now you be Biafra, not be anything. Now you go come say whose fruit they blow through Biafra. Now that's one we go come follow. But if you can't just say because somebody say we no bring lawyer, and then they can't tell you say people not the pay lawyer. Now lawless people they be how we can't depend on lawless people to give it justice. Make my people begin to think. And then those where they too slow to think, don't know the right way to begin to think. Now them they talk to. So now we know saying that the so-called leaders, now them they victimize them, now then they talk. Now what they talk, those followers will be victims. Now then they follow. So now if we talk say
Rasta man, you go try round up because other people want to talk. Oh.
Okay. The point to be said, now we the team go to bring them out because now because of Biafra they go unjustly kidnap the man. So now the soul go they supposed to the Dinka. Now Simon ever be the only person when we say they work for one Nigeria go they raise Biafra flag. You know they ask yourself question. One Nigerian is Biafra. If all of them do not want Nigerian, they talk everything from Biafra. They raise Biafra flag. They do everything they depend. Us. Which can't be that? If any person wants to unman me as family, you know. So my brother, make a clear all that stuff because if I start putting them on my head, nobody will talk again.
Okay, Ndewo, thank you. Hello?
Hello, brother.
Yeah, Mazin Ndewo, sir. Good evening, sir.
No, I Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Oh,
I greet you. Brother, I greet you.
Number
one, I have asked you for this question. I've been doing this question. Let a job come and show us the full video footage in his house. 10 minutes before those people came to his house, until in the morning, a job said that he's not in the house. The day this thing happened, that he went to meet you. If the man will show us the video footage, the time he came back in the morning, if the person said that a native doctor just the face of his house to come inside his house, if the man will show us the video because all the face or all his house full of camera. If the man will put bulletproof in his door and everything, if the man put camera all around of his house, let him bring the full video of everything that happened in his house. That is only the one to prove a job not guilty. He cannot be coming out and giving us a short video. Let him show us what happened to his house. Now they're asking again, is your photo that this guy is looking for me to kill him because of IPOD? Because all that did their own job, we did not allow a Joko to do his own job. And that is why they are looking for a Joko to kill him. Because he failed them. They believe that the Joko failed them. That is why they're looking for him to kill him. Understand? So the very thing now is let a Joko bring down the full video footage. What happened in his house? He said that he's going to use IPOD. So I want to see what happened to his house. We want to know why they kill somebody in his house. Okay? Before any other
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we'll take it from there.
Thank you.
I wanted to say,
thank you, sir.
In any country, in any way that you are fighting for a land, as soon as you succeed to put your own flag in that land, automatically you are taking dominion over that land.
Exactly.
They don't know that. Everywhere you are fighting for a land, and you succeed to put your flag there. That's the end.
Thank you, sir.
Number three, the person I wanted to say,
thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you. Thank you for calling. One people where you thank you. You know your time is over.
Okay, sir. Okay. We go tell him. Thank you, sir.
All right.
How do you go?
Please, when you call, wait, go on. I wanted to say something, Mazugo. I want to tell our people.
I thought you have a caller. No, I wanted to say something. Okay, go on. Say what you want to say.
When you call, yeah, when you call in our program where people are calling, you have a privilege to call. And when we are saying thank you, means that person that's anchoring the program is giving you a sign so that you can be able to share the space for another person to talk in. You know, so that it will not be like sometimes they say, hey, what's that? Okay, you are towards attacking people. And I told you in my week why they play for autopilot. So Only thing you do is we call, try to listen the time that the anchor have given to you so that do not be embarrassment. When we begin to give you sign, thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah, thank you, one. Then you begin to round up. Make we no fight with you. If you want people to fight, maybe I go fight a job for. Not be, not be me. All right.
Anyway, I wanted to say that the man, he made two good points. One, why Ejiofor no one show us all the video? Because he say he go important meeting with the governors to make sure that peace reign. That one no important. We want see the full video of a house because now he get them, nobody cut and give them. Why you go cause only the place where the keep person give us? Make we see the video in daytime. We go get patience. Okongo, you no go get patience to watch them for the whole day. We go get patience to watch them 24 hours. We know they go anywhere.
I see they want to watch them
from morning. Make we, if we stop, we go pause and we go mark where we stop. Tomorrow we go start there. Make we see from morning of that day who and who enter the house until that police, until that military people come. And they make we see also when those people come out to come see say na police and who come open the gate. We want to see everything. Because Ejiofor use a man to tell us. Make we see him. And they make we kukuma see when Ejiofor leave the house in the morning, go meeting where he no come back. And the following morning, make we see when he enter house. And they make we see how somebody call him for phone for middle of the night. He come now, my motor be this. Listen, he said they know they, but when they call him, he can't go there, go see him. Yeah, have you imagined that kind of thing?
He said nice.
He know they around though. He travel go meeting. But when they call and say, see your motor, it be like saying, come and see this motor. It resemble that your motor. He can't go there. How manage he go there?
From his house to the place where they bought the car.
No, you know they understand. Maz Ejiofor no day house. He saying go meeting somewhere that
the
they
day
know
of the day of the way they come kill him.
He know they around. He know they for Anambra State. So how manage that time? He can't go see that the motor that night. So there are many things we need answers. I beg if you call before we know fit answer that because some other person there for line. No verse, you can still call back before we close the program. And we are telling you that anybody where you like it be, if you stand on the way of Biafra, woto, now you go collect. Go come no day, balance no day. And this woto, someone don't come live. This woto, I mean, the old one way there, it be there replay now.
Sure. Now replaying the.
Okay, no, this one na another one. In done the call live. Now be say we go come out here, go enter them. So it good self as in the call now. Make we fit close this program quickly and join him quickly as well. So Mazoko, I think we'll go close Amabi.
All right, thank you all, Biafra. Thank you for watching. We bless you all, and we hope that you join us for this show of our spokesman, Manse Samuel Lepa. So stay tuned and join us. God bless you. All hail Biafra.
There was Mazi Austin. Okay, it's like Mazi Austin is hanging. Okay, Biafrans, I will say just join us. Mazi Austin, I'm coming. Let me say my closing remark before you come. Okay, so join us now as we go back to Simon Egba. We are going to switch off and switch in again. So just try and stick with us. So Mazi Austin, close the video. Make we come out here and enter another one.
Yes, okay.
I talk and say in system they disturb. It is well. It is well.
Well, kind of baby.
No, we are trying to switch over to Simon Ekpa as soon as he comes, and Mazi Austin is being toggled out by the network, and believe you me, we know the joke, we know the play. We are Biafrans, and all we are doing is that.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa. He's doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
So, Mazi.
Yes, Mazugo.
Okay, you don't come back. You go change, you come. Okay, well done. Say your closing remark, make we come out too, because we have to
right.
in.
Oh, I thought I was out already. I thought you returned already.
Okay, now I make you come out.
Yes.
Okay, now make I close them. I never close the program.
Okay, close and then you join in.